In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unapplied cash payment invoice in QuickBooks Online. To fix unapplied cash payment income in QuickBooks Online, you need to apply customer payments to their corresponding invoices. This account shows income when you have recorded a payment from a customer but haven't linked it to an invoice. So here's how you can fix it. First, you have to identify the unapplied payment. So you just have to go to the report section. After that, you have to open the profit and loss report. So you can simply click on this search bar and simply search for profit and loss, and then you have to open this report. Then you have to set this report date as you like, so you can simply change it to all date, today, this week, or this month according to your needs. So I will simply click on this year. Now in this report you have to find the unapplied cash payment income. So if you have that on your account or your business, you will see that column in this report. As you can see, I don't see any of this column in my account. So you just have to simply find that option or this payment, and then you just have to click on this amount right next to it, and then it's going to open that specific report according to your unapplied cash payment. Then you will see payments that aren't linked to any invoices. Now all you need to do is just simply click on this payment. You have to do it for each payment transaction, and in the customer section, then here in the customer payment screen, you just have to check the section where the invoices are listed, and if there are any open invoices, you just have to check the box next to the matching invoices and then ensure the total payment amount is applied correctly, and then you can simply click on this save and close, and your unapplied cash payment will be fixed. But if there are no invoices listed here, check if the invoices were created after the payment date. QuickBooks Online won't auto apply a payment to invoices created later. So there is also optional fix. You can change the payment date. If the payment was made before the invoice date, QuickBooks treat it as a unapplied for the accrual basis reporting. So you can simply edit the payment date to match or follow the invoice date if it's acceptable for your records. So that is how you can fix it. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.